Now for Best Comedy. Presenting Best Comedy is Mike McPhee. A longtime supporter of BIFF, Mike has served as a sponsor and a frequent awards ceremony presenter. A fourth-generation Beaufortonian, he gives back through service in city government, on local nonprofit boards, and as a broker with Hometown Realty with Pat Harvey Palmer. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mike McPhee.
So everybody has said this, and much more eloquently than I will, but Ron and Rebecca, every 2 decades, who thunk, you know? The bar has been risen beyond belief, and it's an amazing event that goes on every year. It is a huge catalyst of our industry in Beaufort, and we love everything that y'all do for us. And I have probably cried more at this festival than I've ever cried. I want to share that. That's not a bad thing necessarily, but I want everybody to wave, because I will never be the person that's receiving an award to see everybody wave in the thing, so y'all just go forth and wave. I love the fact that when the recipients would come up and they would talk about their films and talk about the accomplishments that they'd made, all so much more talented than me, that they enjoyed doing the selfie with everybody in the audience. So it is great that I have the opportunity to do that only as a presenter. But Ron and Rebecca, this has always been a benchmark of the events here in Beaufort. So without further ado, on that comedic move, I will say the nominees for Best Comedy. And the award goes to, I want to do snare drums here or something. BIFF 2026 Best Comedy, Collision Theory.
Goodness gracious. Wow. Okay. This is the first film festival I've ever been to in my life. So I think the bar is raised really high, and I've been told this is one of the best top 10 film festivals in the world. I kind of think it's, yeah, Susan, the best, yeah. I really want to thank every single one of you in here. Rebecca, I saw first, and Rebecca, you gave me the Beaufort hug. And I was like, oh my God, this is incredible. You and Ron have created a community here for 20 years that is so special. This has been kind of like the best 6-day summer camp of my life. I just want to say, like, all of the comedies, like Magic Hour, my God, Jackie last night, I Now I see you, Jackie. Like, absolutely incredible. I'm absolutely inspired, especially like by some of the female filmmakers in here. Like, I have so much to learn. I'm a student, and I am like so gobsmacked that you guys would even consider me for this. So even just being a nominee and being selected here with your team, Ron, every volunteer here is incredible. I feel like I've made lifelong friends here, especially with Ashley, and Josh is in here, Jack. I feel like, yeah, I have like heard all of your stories, and I'm incredibly moved. I'm going to continue to learn and continue to hone my craft, and I just want to thank my cast, my crew, my boyfriend, Mark, who couldn't be here, but I'm incredibly humbled by this. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.